Factor completely. If a polynomial is prime, state this. We have 6t cubed plus 9t squared minus 15t. The first step is always to look for a common factor. In this case, we do have a common factor of 3t. So we write 3t and we factor that out of each term. We would have 2t squared plus 3t minus 5. Now we concentrate on what's inside the parentheses, this trinomial. And if this trinomial factors, it'll factor into two binomials. So let's try that. Writing the common factor 3t and two binomial factors. The first term in each binomial, the product of those will have to be 2t squared. And the only choices we have there are 2t and t. The last two terms will have to multiply to -5. Well, again, we don't have too many choices. 5 and -1, which we could write 5 and -1 or 1 and -5. Not a lot of choices there. We could try the 5 here and the 1 here, the 1 here and the 5 here, and we'd find that we want this because that gives us a middle term of 5t minus 2t, which is 3t. If we multiply this out, we would find we have the original polynomial. So the factorization is 3t times 2t plus 5 times t minus 1.